Thunder don't strike for Ogun State, my people. Where they talk about, to be precise, na Ata Ota. Oh, my people. Hey! Early morning thunder. I don't know where this one come from. I don't know. Na say as they do my hand. Meaning say my hand no dey inside. He keep 13 cows, 1 3 cows. They lie down lifeless as they talk to now. I don't know wetin happen. Everybody just dey shout. Say this one, no, they say early morning. Na so the thing just. Hey, Chineke. He keep 13 cows. Now all the villagers don't they wonder because just like that. Something wey never happen like this before, my people. I beg. I bring am come una first so that una go see. Make I not talk first. I want make una watch am before I deliver wetin I wan come deliver. Because join me, make we watch the video.
This is a damage. This is a thunder strike this morning when rain was falling at Aton. The thunder took the life of 13 cows. What a barbaric movement. 30 cows went down this morning for a thunder strike.
Maybe Juju be that. Hey. Ogun don finally strike. No, see this. I get sense. Ogun don strike for Ogun State. You fit beat that one. Ogun don finally strike. Oh, they have these cows. They don't enter the wrong farmland. Now this one they una know when person just say thunder go fire you. Now this one, this one be the real thunder go fire. It dey make me laugh. It dey make me. Wait. So now, relax, wait. So now, my people, these cows will die now. They enter database. When I remember, say they won't put all the cows for data. They get a NIA registration. I just they ask Biko. I be what of what did they call that thing? Thumb printing. They get their. Yeah, this thunder. No, una no go understand how they feel the way they feel. This thunder now wey happen, wey come, e carry weight and e occupy space, obviously. Because the way, imagine the weight of a cow. And now thunder come bring them down. Let's see where you go here now. To appease the gods, we need a sacrifice of 7 virgins. Now the next thing we wanna go here. I want to know something. Who called this thunder? I beg. Okay, I know they shout. Now even beg, I won't beg. I beg, who called this thunder? See, me and you, whoever you are, we need to sit down and discuss. See, we need to find the person of my people. We need to sit down and discuss. You understand? May that whether this person we feel negotiate, may the person shift and go Aso Rock side. I beg, I know, not be waiting on the thing. I just want to see whether the thing they work for that side. I've been only for farmlands. You understand? No, just imagine 13 cows just go. Free meat everywhere. Hey. And then I go stay straight because my people run away from you. And they enter, no be meat, we go chop am. You don't turn suya, you don't turn this. So I bet make una enjoy you. Ogun State people, carry that thing, chop am. If you even go sell am for market, do anything what you want to do. It is your land. Your farmland. Anything you meet there is for who? Why will they stress this matter like this every time? Because now their own. Next time, both the cows and the cow owners, una go learn not to trespass. Nonsense people. Like people, I bring her so that una go join me. All roads leads to where? Ogun State. Yes, so we dey go there together. And make sure say you ready, because this one we don't fit chop her alone. 13 cows. Oh, Guinea. I mean, start to share this video. Make everybody know say Ogun State is on fire. And don't forget to drop your comment. I want to know what you think. If you know person will send this thunder. Now between you and I, you understand? I bet me will do business together. Very, very important. Drop off in that comment section. And make sure say you share this video one more time. It's very, very important. Subscribe so that you don't go miss interesting matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.